Welcome back to the channel. Jim here, and today we're going to look at Fort De Soto. Let's explore. In this video, you're going to learn everything about Fort De Soto. There's a nice fishing pier here at Fort De Soto. Cute little snack bar. Welcome to the Crab Shack. What a spectacular view of the fishing pier. On the right is a ferry that'll take you to Egmont Key. This is the pickup point for the ferry. There's a lot of fishing stories here at the pier.
As my dad's putting it on, he tells me not to hook myself, and then hooks himself twice.
Hey, now I'm going to show you Fort De Soto Dog Beach. Not many places in Florida where you can dog experience total freedom. Imagine a fun play date here at Fort De Soto. I'm going to show you more. Here, today we're at Fort De Soto. We're starting at the dog beach. The thing about Fort De Soto is there is a real dog beach. Dogs can be off leash, but the owners are still responsible to pick up after the pups.
Champ, no!
And dogs love this place.
Champ, you might need something to drink.
Jim, the dog's taken off.
Okay, fine, but just say,
Hello!
that's great. And dogs love this place.
It starts getting crazy here, doesn't it?
Good.
Right? Here's your hat. Oh, you want it? You want it? Oh, come on. Oh, it's better. Look at the last thing.
There's a lot of nice picnic facilities here at Fort De Soto as well. I just love looking at coconut palms swaying in the wind. There are a lot of viruses that sometimes hurt these palms. I'm glad this one survived. And there are tours to Egmont Park. Some old Battery James, some towers, and a lighthouse on Egmont Key. Now we're hiking on a special trail here at Fort De Soto. We see some beautiful mangroves and water views. I see some red, white, and black mangroves. Hope I don't see any bears or alligators, but they're probably here. Okay, I haven't been lost yet, so there's an arrow. We're continuing our trail.
It would be fun to rent kayaks.
Yeah, it would be fun to rent kayaks. And there are a lot of great places to kayak amongst the mangroves and saltwater flats here. Rent for about $50 a day. Now we're going to the historic fort and a fishing pier. I like this curving road with big tall palm trees. Slightly south of us is the bay and the Gulf. And that's the Fort De Soto Museum. There's a lot of history that occurred here. And now this is the ramp you take to Fort De Soto. It's a historic fort also on the site. Now we're ascending the top of Fort De Soto. There are opportunities to see scenes elevated from the park towards the Gulf of Mexico. Oh, I see it. The fort is buried along these mounds. Oh wow. Look at this great view of the beach here from the fort. Just a beautiful day to hang out at Fort De Soto. Here's a view of the pier, the beaches, and the Gulf of Mexico. Okay, you saw the dog beaches, but some of you are wondering if there are beaches for humans here too. Yeah, let's explore this beach here on the very westernmost portion of Fort De Soto. Look at this nice walkway. We're going to pass some sea oats. There's a sign for some umbrellas and chairs that you can rent for about 20 bucks a day. Whoa. Very serene as you feel the wind hit your face. You can smell the salt of the sea air here. This is a pretty nice platform. Very easy to walk. And as you see the sun warm the earth, we're looking south and you're seeing another fishing pier. And yes, there are great looking beaches here at Fort De Soto for humans too. Not just dogs, humans. Clean, pristine, a great place for families, tourists, locals. Everyone's here to enjoy the beach. What a wide stretch of beach here today. Families love this place. Enjoy those waves. Hey, now we're going to look at why they call this place Fort De Soto. Okay, they had to protect St. Petersburg from probably the French, I guess, because the Spanish were here first. And here's some information about Fort De Soto. They say after the Spanish-American War, Tampa wanted some defenses. So they put up a fort here to keep everyone safe, but then it became a register of historical places in 1977 and a local historic landmark by Pinellas in 2014. Oh my God, these people are in prison. Champ, do you like Fort De Soto? You even found a crate. And now we're going to show you some of the artillery here from Fort De Soto, well over 100 plus years old. It turns out during the wars, people would spot themselves in towers directing the artillery to be shot, because you can see, how would you aim? There's a picture gallery of the fort with a floor plan of how things look. This is the officers' quarters, second floor plan, and look at all the different structures that existed in this area throughout time. I love this retro pavilion here. Look at the coral type bricks. Very early 70s Florida. And there's a really cool gift store here at Fort De Soto. Kind of an octagon or round room full of beachwear, and that's the snack bar straight ahead. And here's another picture. I see a lot of seagulls trying to scoop up some remnants of fish. A lot of fishermen here today. I don't see too much being caught. I see a lot of bait though. I love these palm trees here though.
Those are the sable palms, state tree of Florida.
Sable palm
Is the state tree of
I never even knew this.
And if it's not, they changed it.
I understand there's camping here at Fort De Soto. You have to have reservations. There's not a lot of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Also, these are pretty.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, these are nice campsites. Fishermen. Oh, some of these sites are right on the water. Wow. What a deal. Look at those waterfront. Something smells good. I think someone's cooking some breakfast.
Hello. Last night?
Okay, at the campground?
Yes, ma'am.
That's beautiful.
It was actually okay, but our neighbors
We're not.
very, very rude up all night with the loud bebopping.
Oh,
plays,
that's not nice. Campground should have like a rule after a certain time.
It is 10 o'clock.
Yeah, we stayed at Yosemite a few years ago in California, and there was 10 o'clock lights out. So just, you know, like no
Yeah.
music, no sounds. Like it was kind of like everyone needs to be quiet after.
Oh, no, you hear this man all through the park. He had it turned up.
That's ridiculous. You're camping. You shouldn't have any electronics, right?
Right.
Well, thank you for the Amelia Island thing that we just
Yes.
said. That's where we
It's
want. That's where we're
beautiful.
going on our side. So COVID's been good because we've been doing Florida vacation.
There you go.
Last
they-
summer we did the whole panhandle.
You ain't worried about that part. That part. Nobody ever wears masks, COVID, none of that crap.
But our reason we stayed in Florida is we just didn't want to travel.
Yeah.
Right.
But we stayed doing the panhandle because we could be Florida.
So would you rather camp here for $40 a night directly on the water, or would you rather go to the at-home Inn and Suites in Pensacola? This is a perfect day now.
It actually is, yeah.
Did I tell you I love you?
I love you.
Hey, now I need to head back to Jeannine. It's getting to be a little bit warm yet for the dogs, but Champ had a blast today. And say, by the way, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and comment.